Hello everyone. So if you want to add emojis to your Samsung keyboard, here's how to do that. First of all, let's open up our settings. Here they are. After that, simply scroll down to your General Management tab. Here it is. Let's open it up. Now, locate your keyboard list in default. Tap on the default keyboard and make sure that the Samsung keyboard is chosen. Now let's go back and let's tap on our Samsung keyboard settings. Now scroll down to your style and layout section and choose your keyboard toolbar. Make sure to tap on the switch near to it. Right now, let's close settings. And let's open up our keyboard. You may do this with any application which uses it, maybe even your Messenger or your notes or just Google, as I just did. So make sure that you have this toolbar on. If you still don't see it, I recommend you to reboot your phone. Maybe it will help you. All right. So emojis should be right here. However, if you don't see them, let's bring them back. Tap on those three dots. Now locate emojis and simply bring it to your keyboard. Now let's close this list and let's use our emojis. There we are. We can use them, and basically that is it. So, I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.